following message is transmitted at the request of the Mason County Police Department. Residents of Lasker City and Edenvale are advised to shelter in place for the night. It has been stated that a meteorological event is occurring for the night. This warning is effective immediately and remains effective until tomorrow morning. It has been advised to not observe this event with a naked eye. Maintain social media outlets for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Virginia State Sheriff's. The shelter-in-place warning has been upgraded to civil danger warning for the entire state of West Virginia until 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, this meteorological event has been suspected of being dangerous. It has been confirmed that anyone within the warning has been forced to All residents, no matter where you are in West Virginia, are advised to seek refuge indoors and do not look at the night sky. It is not recommended to
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCLVDT. We will continue to serve the Lasker City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Lasker City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. This is WCLVDT. This analog system will continue furnishing news, official information, and instructions for the Lasker City area. If you are not in the Lasker City area, you should tune into stations providing news and information for your area. You must listen carefully to announcements from the station or cable system in your local area. We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming has been
following message has been given the authorization to transmit this message on all stations at the request of the President, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a meteorological event that occurred tonight is causing damage to the United States and possibly the world. It's not known when it first started, but the moon has grown due to the unwilling nature of the event. I am willing to give you the following instructions for your safety. If you are inside, avoid looking through windows and mirrors and do not, by any attempt, go outside. If you are outside and not affected by this event, look to the ground as long as possible until you seek shelter. Cover yourself in blankets or sheets to protect yourself from moonlight. Turn off